Welcome to the Santa Clarita Public Library e-library tutorials. On our tutorials, you can find helpful information on our digital resources. Today, we'll be highlighting Freading. Let's get started. Start by visiting the Santa Clarita Public Library's website at santaclarita.library.com. Click on e-library located on the blue menu bar at the top of the page. You can use the drop-down menu to select ebooks and audiobooks, or scroll down the page and select ebooks and audiobooks from the list. Once this page loads, you will see a list of ebooks, audiobooks, and other digital resources that are free to use with a Santa Clarita Public Library card. Scroll down the page and click on the link for Freading. Here's what Freading looks like when you visit it through the library's website. On Freading's front page, you can see the menu items at the top, like Home, Top Downloads, New Arrivals, Categories, and the FAQ. At the top of the page, you see the Pick of the Week scrolling. On the right-hand side, Freading also lists their featured categories and topics that might interest you. For example, let's say you want to browse Freading's cookbook selection. You can click on Cooking to see a variety of titles for you to download. Next, we'll cover how to use Freading from a computer. To read a book on Freading, make sure you have already downloaded Adobe Digital Editions. For instructions on how to download this program, visit the FAQ on the top menu. To read a book in Freading, click on the image of a book you want to read. You'll be brought to the information page for that book. Below the cover image, you'll see a button to log in order to download the book. You'll be prompted to enter your library card and PIN number, so be sure to have those ready. Once you're logged in, the button will refresh and give you the option to download the book. The book format may differ depending on the device you're using. Once your download is complete, double-click on the file to open your book. Adobe Digital Editions will automatically launch and open. From here, you can begin enjoying your book. For more information on how to use Freading, be sure to visit the FAQ section for commonly asked questions. There you can find more information on how to use Freading on your mobile device. See you next time!